Hey, what's going on guys? iOS 12 is here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to download it right now without waiting. So just so you know, you do have to be a developer to download iOS 12 officially. This method is unofficial and it's using a potentially harmful profile, just saying it's unlikely that it'll ever do anything to your phone, but people can sneak some things in. So for your own safety, I am warning you, this may or may not be dangerous for your device, but in the end, you will be getting iOS 12. So I've been running it for a couple moments here. Honestly, I am not feeling much difference whatsoever. It's supposed to be a performance godsend for iOS, and it's just really the same pretty much. But that's on my iPhone 10. Maybe it's different on other devices. Either way, it is super simple to install it. You guys can get it, download it on your device within moments. So I can't speak for the stability or the bugs, but it doesn't feel really any different than iOS 11 for me. It barely looks any different either. I'm noticing a little change here and there, like little tiny things, but really no major thing. Of course, there's a couple new apps, well, the Measure one with ARKit, so I'll have to try that out in a bit here, but yeah, let's go ahead and show you how to install it. Now, this method may be prone to change at any moment. I'm showing you this one link right now, but in the future it could change, so I'm just going to set you guys up with this one right here, and if it ever gets taken down, I'll include a different one. And this is basically what will happen. Once you go to download, it'll ask you to go ahead and allow and install a profile, and this is what you're going to get. So you're going to need to click install and then enter your passcode, and immediately it will ask you to restart after clicking install one more time. So I'm going to go ahead and say not now, as I do have it installed already, and then jump back into settings, do reboot your device, of course, and inside you will see this software update in here. So iOS 12 developer beta, it's a pretty normal size of an update of this caliber, but anyways, go ahead and click install now, and you will be on iOS 12 here in just a moment. So that's going to go ahead and install, and it'll be there in no time. Otherwise, yeah, like I said, really not much difference here. Oh, and by the way, before you update, just so you know, you will not be able to go back down to iOS 11 in a downgrade and preserve your data. Most of the data will not be compatible anymore, and that's most cases, but sometimes you are able to download, maybe just some data isn't compatible. Just keep that in mind. You may or may not lose your data before this, so make sure to back everything up before transferring or upgrading to iOS 12. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a full overview here in just a minute. Yeah, oh wow, that's a new animation right there. It's kind of cool. So that's different. There's just like not much that's changed. I'm surprised. I thought there'd be so much more. We'll have to go into depth here to find all those little differences. Then the camera app, no, unfortunately. Any updates to the options or settings in here, it's just the same way it was. Music app looks the same. Man, that's a bit disappointing. You know, you expect a little bit more, but hopefully we can find some bigger changes in here. Anyways, guys, this will take about 10 to 15 minutes to update from your device. The download itself takes a minute. It's not super quick because a lot of people are trying to get to it right now. But yeah, I can't speak for the long term of it, but it seems to be pretty stable right now. I might even consider running it on my personal iPhone if everything goes good here. Otherwise, guys, enjoy iOS 12 and stay tuned for the videos where we dig in and find all those smaller changes. So thanks for watching, guys. Peace.